So here is Wawa app, if I pronounce it correctly. It's in the top charts right now. So you can order food with this app and you can just get some rewards, and it's quite popular. So let's just go through the app and see how it works, how to create an account. So if you're using the app, you're just gonna earn rewards, and of course it's just faster experience. You can select store, pickup, curbside, or delivery, browse the menu, build your perfect meal, order your favorites, you can earn rewards. So yep, that's about it. Let's open the app here. Let's see how it works. So here is the app. Let's wait a bit until it uploads or something. Yeah, it just takes a while. Yeah, I'm just screencasting for you what is happening with this app, so you have a better experience. So finally, please check your wireless connection. Okay, then let's just try to create an account. My Wi-Fi seems okay. I don't know like why it takes a bit time here. Come on, Wawa app. Other than that, you can just find the store, or you can just type the city here without creating an account. So for example, if I just search, and then I can just do so yeah, something like I don't know. So finally now I can just go here, access denied. Sorry guys, probably it's because I'm located not in US right now, so that's probably the issue here. Yep, if just this app works only in United States, and if you're outside of United States and you just want to plan like your food or something like that, it won't really work. So I will try again, but at least you have an idea how yeah, it can work. But yeah, hope this quick preview, very small preview, was helpful. Thank you for watching.